Hello.
Hello.
What is your name?
Apple.
Okay. Now let's look at these. Who is she?
Grandma.
She is.
She is grandma.
Good. Who is he? Who is he? He is. Good. How about them? Who are they?
They are family.
They are family. Tell me, who is he?
Dad.
Good. And who is she? Her. Okay. And who is he? Good. Brother. Who is she? She is. Okay. Who is this? Pet. Good. Who's he? Good. He is. That's my uncle. Who is she? Good. And who's he? Good job, cousin. Okay. What shape is this? Good. And what shape is this? Good. It's a good. What is this? It's a table. And what shape is the table? What shape is that? 3 sides. Kind of like this. What shape? What shape? Circle? No. You said it. Try. Triangle. Good job. Do you see a door? Yeah. What shape is the door? Good job. And what is this? Good. What shape is the clock? Well done. Yes, we're done. We're not done. Okay. What do you see? What do you see? Do you see a boat? Good. Do you see a car? How many cars do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Nope. 6. Right? 6 cars.
6 cars.
Okay. What is this? It's a puppet. Puppet. What color is the puppet?
Green.
It's
Green.
good. It's green.
And red.
And yeah, that's true. What are these?
These are pink.
Good job. And what is this?
These are bicycles.
Good. Can you count the bicycles? How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job. Okay. What do you see? What is this?
It's a computer.
Good. What is this?
Backpack.
What color is the backpack?
Red, blue, green, yellow.
Okay. Good job. Can you count the backpacks? How many backpacks?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job. And what are these?
These are scissors. Window.
Good job. Okay, here is a house. What rooms are there? Tell me the rooms. What room is this?
Kitchen.
Good. What room is that?
Bed.
It's a diner.
Dining.
Good job. What's that one? It's a
Living room.
good job. What room is this?
Bathroom.
Good. And what room is this?
Bathroom.
Good. What room is Grandma in? Grandma. Look for Grandma. There she